would be half tablespoon salt. Okay, I like a lot of raisins. Most people either hate them or love them. I like them. The microwave on. I'm gonna let it raise in there for a few hours, 2 hours probably, but I'm gonna put a hot cup of water in there, which creates a little bit of steam and moisture to make the microwave a little bit of a proofing oven. I burned it a little bit, but it's still pretty good.